You can do it. You get ready.
You're just recording in case I fall. You want to get it on tape? No, thank you.
It's easy.
It's easy.
Yes.
Running is easy when you're 5.
Not really. They do a lot of tripping and falling.
Ah, look, what's that?
Try to close the door on me.
Are you really gonna make a break for
I
it?
was going to try, but I do not understand if I can make it or not.
Just go. Open the door.
So far, and
Open
there
the
are
door.
too many drops of rain.
Open the
I
door.
don't know. I don't know if there's if it's locked or not either.
I will not. I will not open the door. I am waiting. I am waiting for the rainy drop to stop.
It's not gonna stop anytime soon. We're gonna be here for like an hour.
I cannot sit here and have that camera staring at me forever. You are driving me crazy.
Well, I need something to upload on YouTube today, so.
Could you please turn that camera around? I don't want to be taped. I want to be on your YouTube channel.
One party consent.
I don't care if it's one party consent. Is it one party consent to have me punch you in the nose?
Yeah, that would be one party consent.
Go. Go.
As soon as you stop recording, I'll go. You little twit.
Fine.
Don't tell me fine, it's still recording. I'm not done.
Okay, go.
Take your little bum off the stage and then I'll go.
Okay, fine.
Step back. Step back.
Run as fast as you can! Run, Forrest, run! Now we have to run through that. Now we have to run through that.
I ain't running through that. Huh? I love the rain. I love the water and the beach.
Hey, it doesn't matter about the pool. The rain.
I wonder if he's gonna bring us back an umbrella.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right, she says.
I just sat here and recorded him and laughed at him.
We all had to laugh.
Hey, you like my earrings?
Oh, yes, very pretty. So stylish. Just like always.
I want my.
Your outfit is beautiful too, though the rolled up pants make you look like a lesbian. So it's not flooding on the sidewalk
Nice.
yet.
No, but I'm not gonna wear my shoes
Go
out there. I worry that these are gonna
These. That's
Like,
my mom's
come
shoes.
apart or something if they get wet.
Where are my
My
mom's
other
shoes?
ones are like more like that.
All right, Dad's obviously not coming back, so
Oh, I'm telling you. Did you really expect him to come back? Did
Oh,
you
wait.
ask him to bring
Wait a
an
minute.
umbrella?
It died down a bit. It died down.
I told him to wait and look right after he runs.
All right, here I go.
Alright, girls. Love y'all. Y'all have a wonderful day. Make sure all the lights are off, okay? Y'all know how to turn those off?
Okay. Still under the roof. All right.
Lock it, okay?
All right, you ready?
No. It's still raining too much. Alright.
We got this.
If we hold hands,
We got
we're
this.
gonna fall.
Ready?
Go.
3, 2, 1.